Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, for the first time ever, an Amitabh Bachchan film was released directly on an OTT platform. I don't know the full form of OTT platform, but yeah, whatever. So it's on Amazon Prime, and the movie is called Gulabo Sitabo, and really, yeah, Ayushmann Khurrana and Amitabh Bachchan. I mean, they have a chemistry that is unlike anything we've seen. Like I mean, the last time it was Munna Bhai and Circuit who had that. When they are on screen, they light it up. And hats off to Ayushmann Khurrana. Yeah, I mean, maybe because he's done a whole series of films. At certain places, it's like literally he steals the show, and he steals the show from Amitabh Bachchan. Can you beat it? It's like really. So you'll have to watch it, people. It's called Gulabo Sitabo. It gives you um, a very you know a very real time view of old Delhi in all its impoverished glory. I mean, there's a especially during the time like this, like during the lockdown, it's watching a movie like this would be slightly, it it makes you aware of the kind of reality there is, far away from the, normally the movies that we are used to watching, Mumbai, Delhi, the you know high end society and all. But a movie like this is, in its own way, very refreshing. I mean, we all need to open our eyes to certain facts, and this movie helps you do that. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.